1972, my Camaro's pride, but German laws won't let it ride. No registration or water pipe, so we're heading north into the night.
Welcome to the third episode. Is Germany really a car country or not? I will finally cover this topic. Here we go. So about the car issues in Germany. The thing is that in Finland you can have a old-timer car, an old car and a new car. What it means is that you can register as an old-timer. There you get some special rules then, and you get the special plates for the car. Then you can have just an old car, and when you go to the checkup every year or every other year, they consider it. You don't have to have all the modern things in the car because it's just an old car. Same applies to this old-timers car, so not same rules as for the new cars. I mean, I don't even have 3-point seat belts at the moment. I do have them in the box, and I'm going to install them hopefully next week, thanks to my American friends. Yeah, and the German cars, there's only old-timer and new car, which means that if you don't get this old-timer status, it's you're in trouble. Your old-timer that is not registered as an old-timer has to pass all that is required from a new car. And this is the case with my car. So it's 52-year-old car, but it should have everything new. And the problem is that you can't register it as an old-timer because it has new parts and modifications. And Germany as a country with everything is regulated, especially the cars. So every part in a German car has to have ID or serial number or certificate or whatever. So you can't just make them yourself, and of course you can't change the parts very freely. So my car has a new engine and this gas system, so it's already like too much modifications and way too much for the old-timer. Once I was stopped by the police, and they immediately were looking at my tires and rims, like what are these? And I thought, I don't know. Well, in Germany you have to have a paper for your rims, and if you don't have it with you, they will fine you. So it's like only the rims that in the original papers of the car accepted, you can use them there. Of course, I have no clue what rims there should be. I have the ones that I bought the car with from Sweden, which is like very, very nice and free country for this kind of car hobby. So anyways, I went to several different garages in Germany and tried to fix this problem and solve or find that information and what can I do. And the German checkup tooth, it's extremely strict. And I talked with you guys who work there, and they estimated my car would be like 30,000 to modify it to pass the tooth. So okay, it's maybe the price of the car is about that. So no way, and I don't have that money. So finally, after several years of driving back and forth Finland and Germany and trying to find, for 3 years I tried to find a garage for the car so it was staying just on the street. Finally I gave up now, and I can't register it there. There's a risk that they will think that okay, I keep the car more in Germany, so I would have to pay taxes there because and I don't have the car registered there, so I'm paying taxes to Finland. So they would sue me for tax evasion, and that would totally suck. I don't know if they would take away the car or what. So I'm driving it to Finland. Luckily the situation with the garages in Finland is much better, so I think I can find a garage pretty quickly with the help of my friends at the American Car Club. from now on it's just Finland cruising car and sometimes some European road trips. There's so many cars in Germany and in the rural area especially, everything's packed, the highways always there's traffic jams. Luckily when I drove here there wasn't that much, but every place is full of cars, so finding a garage was really very difficult. They are quite expensive, and the difference between Finland and Germany is that these garages in Germany are cold, so there's maybe there's lights or maybe not, but for sure there's no heating or electric sockets or anything. So in Finland, and they are tiny. In Finland they're bigger, warmer, and you have electricity, so you can fix your car there. I had a pretty nice garage in my hometown before I moved to Germany, right in the city center, and it was half the price compared to Germany. So after 3 years I did find a garage in Germany, and it was this funny lift garage. Sadly I now gave away the keys, so I can't show it, but there's the 2 floors, one car above another, and with the key you lift it up or not lift it down. And the traffic is in Germany, really the traffic jams, and when you have these highways where you can drive as fast as you want, it's driving, I don't know, 150 kilometers hour and then braking like crazy, then standing in a traffic jam, then again cafe. Yeah, that's my little German skills. That's another story. I'm learning very slowly. So what I was saying was that the driving is very stressful. It's going really fast, braking, then again going really fast, braking. At least in our area, it's really it's so stressful. And with this car, it does not go straight like a modern car. It's like, and lanes are narrow, a lot of traffic, road work. It's crazy. You can't, even if I would have a cruise control, I could not use it compared to Finland, where you can just click on the cruise control and go for hours. Maybe try to avoid few reindeer on the way, but mostly there is no traffic jams. Only like midsummer when the cities get empty, then there's a traffic jam, but once a year. So in our area it's like doesn't really matter what time of the day, there can be huge traffic jams. So that's basically the car problem. I just can't have it there. It's not fun. It's technically impossible. It's kind of risky, legally. And I really tried it there. Like I was planning to go to this car meetings or meetups or whatever, but this summer I really didn't go to, not even once. Now it's September, so if I'm 1 month in Finland in spring and in autumn, there I can drive, and it's fun to drive. I can do road trips there. So that's it. No car in Germany. You don't really need a car in Germany. But I think I will start to prepare for the massage now, and talk to you later.
It's not allowed. To Finland we go, engines loud. Autobahn to Travemünde shore. Finmade ferry, ocean to explore. Helsinki harbor comes in sight. Arctic Circle is our final sight. Oh, biogas in the tank, we're on our way. Travemünde shore, Finland ferry ocean to explore. Helsinki harbor comes in sight. Arctic Circle is our final sight.